like, comment, share, and subscribe now. Welcome to my cloudy bibher world. A bundle of rhymes. Shine like a star, you're a star, bright and true. There's no one quite like you. Try your best in all you do, and magic will follow through. Be brave, be bold. Be brave, be bold. Don't ever fear. Your dreams and goals are super near. Stand up tall and wear your smile. You'll go far, mile by mile. Busy bee, that's me. Buzz, buzz. I learn each day, in every fun and curious way. Working hard, I do my best. Then I take a happy rest. You can do it, if it's tough. Don't say, I quit, try again. Just bit by bit. Step by step, you'll find the way. You can do it, hip hooray. Smart little me, I ask, I try, I read and write. I fill my mind with things so bright. With every question that I ask, I'm learning fast, a clever task. Grow and glow, each new day, I learn and grow, like a flower, nice and slow. Kindness, courage, and a grin, that's the way we always win. Little steps, big dreams. Little steps can take you far, no matter who you are. Try your best and never stop, you're on your way right to the top. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, Cloudy Bibher.